Uh-oh. I ordered another one. Old shoe. Let's get it painted and get it thrown on there. Oh, she running. A little bit cold to paint. Gonna wear off there anyway. I got the other one on, and I've come to conclude that it's in the right hole there for what I have to offer. So it's one below the top, and that'll set you up nice. I think, I don't know, I'm probably, what, 1.5 inches maybe below that plow there. And I'd probably, truth be known, I'd probably go the top hole if I didn't have that clevis right there, because that's going to allow the blade to just literally float. So I'm okay with it being that low, but I'd probably go 2 inches if I didn't have the clevis. So if you're a guy or a gal with a Cub and a 54A blade in front of you, that's what I'd do. Now, in looking at this, I don't have a lot of clearance there. And I don't know, it might have drifted down a little bit. Probably didn't, though. These are pretty good hydraulics, and they don't move unless it's started. So I got about 3 inches, a good 3 inches of clearance there. And I can move them. You can shift it up right here. I can go up, oh, I'd be willing to go up another hole, and that'd give me probably another inch clearance. And somebody even suggested that I go up higher so that the front is tilted down when I'm plowing, but really once that bottom hits the ground, it does go a little bit anyway. Now this clevis will make a difference for sure. And when I get off camera, I'm gonna be hitting some zerks for shirts. Got this replaced. I ordered a whole set of front lugs on eBay, and he sent them to me in a Ziploc baggie, and what he's got them in, I don't know. Doesn't smell like anything. No, it doesn't smell like anything. I mean, but either way, good to go. That's all I'm doing today, just doing the little things and stuff. And now listen, don't tell me I need to learn how to paint. I know how to paint. I held the button down. It ran. You don't need to leave a comment about it. I know how to paint. I paint a lot of things. Lots. Actually, I probably shouldn't have said anything, because you leaving a nasty, stupid comment actually helps the video out. So yeah, no, I don't know how to paint. Well, I'll get this old shoe off of here. Obviously, if I'm going to put the new one on. The new heavy duty improved one on. I don't know why I got to the end here, and no, I'm not using impacts on this. Oh, I imagine it's probably been on there for 25, 30 years. There we go. And there we go. I save these because I'm stupid and cheap. And there you go. Oh, you get ratcheting to you. Yeah, you're probably the guy that tailgates people too. Get out of there. There we go. Yeah, that's been in there a while. The dirt and the rust and whatever in the grooves. This is still good for nothing. And based on the other one, I already know it's second hole. It's in the hole. Finger tighten it on there. Get the other one lined up. Yeah, these are replaceable, assuming you can see that. Tight. Satisfied tight. Now I think we're ready to roll. It's been one of them years where whatever they call for, we've been getting about half. I think we did get the 3 inches last night, plus the 2 we had. That's going to give us about 5. Our issue here is not the snow. It's underneath here. We melted down and then had rain, and then it got into the 20s, the low 20s. And yeah, so there's a nice sheet of ice under this. Yeah, I'll test her out. Let's fire it up. Cubby. 55. All right, put the key in the hole. Somebody was asking why there's a shutoff on this. I didn't do it. It was converted to 12 volts however long ago. It wasn't wired correctly. Again, it's a diode issue. But anyways, I ordered new keys. This one broke it. I got like 2 of them for like $6, $7 delivered. So they'll be here, and then anyways, I can tie that down until I get to the point where I can get around to wiring it correctly. This will just have to do. So let's get her fired up. Pretty sure she'll start. I got reason to believe. Handshake, choke. Shut the choke off too soon. Come on. A little more gas. There we go. It's cold out, man. It is cold. About 25 degrees. If that. One of my plowing videos with the Cub, somebody asked, oh, why don't you get a tractor with a cab and heat? Because I was built for this, and you weren't. I can tell you honestly, I think the shoes are set about right. It's leaving about 1.5 inches on the driveway, so I'm not going to push my gravel, that's for sure. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think I should drop them shoes down a little more? I mean, there's, man, 1.5 I'm leaving on there. I don't know. I know that we're gonna look at this. I got the blade raised up, but you can see I'm definitely riding on the shoes. About that much of the blade sticking up. Now, is this clevis making a difference? You better believe it. I don't know how you'd plow a non, let's say, paved driveway without it and not push your stone out. Again, I could play with those shoes a little bit, drop them down, I don't know, 1/2 inch, see what happens. Maybe next go around. But yeah, that clevis is all the difference in the world. True float now. I think the Cub just found a friend. Beep beep.